Beyond the return, I and Shisha and Penny for a year, Senebeya, and you are no more what to cry copy more for my son and cafe swan. Obey me a befi, no one near Busia Cambo Matun said, Did ya bon come I do one who any nan so a year Richard Yao, a call, a marketing consultant, our fonton from Jimmy Dear Suno Penidia to just say, Afia no the Rubono uncle and nim cry and into beyond the return, and yes, send Niana, yes, Nimu say a becono.
It's gone down. It's gone down because, you know, the year of return was in 2019. And then by the end of 2019, they launched the Beyond the Return. Then we moved into 2020 when COVID came. So COVID came to disrupt the performance, the marketing, and the vim in the year of return activity. So COVID shut down the economy a bit. So we started recovering from 2021, 22, thereabout. However, because of the lack of marketing. So your topic that you are discussing this morning is very, 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 very important and dear to my heart. In fact, the safety, the hospitality, and the marketing, the combination of this, if it is not taken seriously, the year of return can die.
Hey.
Yes. The year of return can die. Because when the people come, where do they go to? They go, apart from the programs that they attend in the evening, they go to tourist sites. And tourist sites have not received that level of support recently. So if we don't package... If we don't package these sites to make money during the day, and then the programs will make money during the night, we are going nowhere.